Hello, how to solve for a and b in this equation? A plus b is equal to 2. Then ab is equal to 150. Solution. We have a plus b is equal to 2. Let's call this equation 1. Then ab is equal to 150. Let's call this equation 2. From equation 1, a plus b is equal to 2. Then b is equal to 2 minus a. Let us call this equation 3. Also from equation 2, ab is equal to 150. A bracket b is 2 minus a is equal to 150. Now let's open this bracket. A multiplied by 2, this is 2a minus a multiplied by a square is equal to 150. Now this can be written as minus a square plus 2a minus 150 is equal to 0. Let's divide all through by minus 1. Then here will be a square minus 2a plus 150 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation. Let us solve this using quadratic general formula. A is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac over 2a. Then from this equation, a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 2, c is equal to 150. A is equal to minus bracket minus 2 plus or minus square root of minus 2 square minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 150 over 2 multiplied by 1. A is equal to minus times minus 2. This is 2 plus or minus square root of minus 2 square, that is 4 minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 150, that is 600 over 2 multiplied by 1, 2. A is equal to 2 plus or minus square root of 4 minus 600, that is minus 596 over 2. A is equal to 2 plus or minus, this can be written as square root of minus 1 multiplied by square root of 596, then over 2. But 596 is equal to, is the same thing as here. We have 596. This is divisible by 2. Then 2 in 5, 2. In 19, 9. In 16, 8. Then this is also divisible by 2. 2 2 into 1, then 2 in 9, 4, remain 1 in 18, 9. Then this cannot be divided by 2 again, or 3. So let's say this is 149 and this is 1. Therefore, 596 is equal to 2 square multiplied by 149. And this can be written as A is equal to 2 plus or minus square root of minus 1 is I multiplied by square root of 2 square multiplied by 149 over 2. A is equal to 2 plus or minus, this is I, then square root of 2 square, that is 2, multiplied by 2, then multiplied by square root of 149 over 2. A is equal to 2 plus or minus 2I square root of 149 over 2. And this is same thing as 2 bracket 1 plus or minus I square root of 149 over 2. These two cancel these two. Then A1 is equal to, from here we have 1 plus I square root of 149, and the A2 is equal to 1 minus I square root of 149. These are the values of A. You've gotten the value of A, let's solve for B. To solve for B, from equation 3, B is equal to 2 minus A. B1 is equal to 2 minus A1 is 1 plus I root 149. B1 is equal to 2 minus 1 minus I square root of 149. B1 is equal to 1 minus I square root of 149. Then B2 is equal to 2 minus A2 is 1 minus I square root of 149. B2 is equal to 2 minus 1 plus I square root of 149. B2 is equal to 1 plus I square root of 149. These are the values of B. This is the value of B2. Therefore, our final answer are A1, B1 is equal to 1 plus I square root of 149, 1 minus I square root of 149. Then A2, B2, this is equal to 1 minus I square root of 149, 1 plus I square root of 149. These are the final answer. Then you may check to confirm if this answer is right or wrong using either A1, B1 or A2, B2. And let me know your answer in the comment section, whether you get it right or not. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.